Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to factory reset Whirlpool microwave. Also, it would be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So in this case, you might be wondering how do you exactly factory reset your Whirlpool microwave here. But in this case, this actually depends on the model that you currently have. But I'll be showing you exactly the general steps here that you may want to try. Now, generally speaking here, to factory reset your Whirlpool microwave, you just need to drain the power from it. So all you need to do is you want to make sure that you turn it off and you want to unplug it from any power source. Now, if you can't unplug it directly yourself or if it's in a fitted shelf, what you need to do is you want to turn off the breaker for it and basically let it sit for about like 15 minutes or around 10 to 15 minutes here. So typically speaking, this actually drains the power from it. So again, make sure all power is disconnected on your Whirlpool microwave. Now also you may want to basically use the buttons here. So this is like the clock button here or the power buttons. You may want to press them, press and hold them just to make sure that power is fully drained from it. But yeah, so once the time is up, you can go just plug it back in and see if it actually works. Now, for some models, there are some specific steps that you could do here. Like, for example, you need to press the clock button here repeatedly until the actual factory reset menu would actually appear. But again, this actually depends on your model here. So it's best to consult or check your manual here to see if that actually helps you with the reset process. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.